So welcome back, track fans, to the YouTube channel, and today we'll be talking about something very serious. Now, this is the point. Shericka Jackson was able to win double in Diamond League. Now, the big question I want to ask you guys is, why was Shericka Jackson not able to win the double in Budapest World Athletic Championship? Yes, why was she not able to win it in Budapest, but she was able to win it in Diamond League final? Do you have an answer to this? If you do have an answer, make sure to comment in the comment section. Now let's move on by saying that a lot of people, when Sha'Carri Richardson won the 100-meter in Budapest, were saying that if she was put in a center lane, that Sha'Carri will not be able to win first position in Budapest. Like if she was put at the center of the lane, she will not be able to win first position in Budapest. That it was because she was put in lane 9. That is the reason why Sha'Carri was able to win. And if you look at it very well, I'm kind of beginning to feel like maybe those people are actually right, because let's take a look at Diamond League. If you look at Diamond League so well, you came to find out that Sha'Carri was not able to win the race. Now, what lane was Sha'Carri being placed? If you look at it in Diamond League, Sha'Carri was not placed in lane 9. Rather, she was at the center of the lane. And guess what happened? Sha'Carri failed to win third, neither second, no first. So, it's starting to give me a feeling that maybe those people are actually right by saying that. I don't actually know why I'm beginning to feel like those people actually saying that it was all because Sha'Carri was in lane 9. I'm just starting to feel like maybe they might be right, because Diamond League is a proof. But let me know what you think in the comment section.